Marshmallow Fables, sweet and magical stories for little dreamers.
Mr. Oliver stepped into his colorful garden, sunlight filtering through the trees. Birds of every color fluttered around him as he scattered seeds, a toucan perching playfully on his hat. Surrounded by song and color, he smiled, greeting his feathered friends. As Mr. Oliver fed the birds, curious village children peeked over the fence, giggling. A bright blue parrot mimicked his greeting, sparking laughter. Little Lily watched quietly until Mr. Oliver gently beckoned her forward. She held out her hand, and a bright yellow parrot landed softly. Lily's eyes lit up with wonder. He's so soft. As days passed, more children visited Mr. Oliver's garden, and some set up feeders at home. The once quiet village soon filled with bird song and laughter.